Today I'm going to be making bacon covered dates. I'm starting with pitted dates and I'm starting with uncured bacon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a piece of bacon and a date, and I am going to wrap the bacon around the date. I'm only going to be using about half the strip of bacon, and I'm going to be securing it with a toothpick to hold it together and making it easier to get on and off the grill. Today we're going to be seasoning with Cajun Lees all-purpose spice blend. This is going to give it a nice little kick of heat to the bacon wrap dates. Today we're going to be cooking on the Grilla Grills Silverbac. I'm using Smoke Ring Apple pellets, and I have the grill running at 250 degrees, and towards the end I'm going to bump it up to 300 degrees to make sure we get that bacon nice and crispy. The apple pellets are going to give a nice sweet flavor to the bacon. The total cook time for this was about an hour. For the first 45 minutes, I cooked at 250 degrees to get some of that nice smoke flavor into the uncured, unsmoked bacon that I had. For the last 15 minutes, I ran the grill at 300 degrees to make sure the bacon was nice and crispy. This isn't that hard of a cook to do. You should give it a try. Cooking's an experiment. Go ahead, experiment. This is Johnny from Smoky Q. I'll see you later.